Alright guys, I'm back and I have lots and lots of stuff. Come on dude, fight me at spawn, please, for my first Hunger Games series, please for my first, please, list. Creepy Crafter. Fight me now. Right, bro. Where are you? Where are you? Please. Alright, since he's not here, it's gonna be peacefully fishing. Isn't that sound fun? Ooh, fish. Why? That's boring. Okay, since he's making me find him. I'll go look for him. Oh god. Take forever. Crab in a hill. Or something. Give me a hint. R.I.P. Tobias. No. Ooh, what's this? I'm gonna end up dying. Damn. What? Let's go. So maybe if I... I don't want to do this. I must. Okay, I'm done. Whoa, I won? What? Yay! Woo! So that's Hunger Games. I'm burning. Nice. So yeah. Whoa, wait, what? Oh, Creepy Crafter won. Whoa, I made it in second place. Hey, Creepy. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. So here's the guy that killed me horribly. So yeah, that's the conclusion for this Hunger Games. Alright, goodbye.